Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
So hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about how you can program your microcontroller. So for programming a microcontroller, we need a software that is Arduino IDE. So first of all, go to the start menu, then click on Arduino IDE, then open the software. So click on file, then new. So this is the first program. So here we can write a very simple program, that is how you can blink a LED using Arduino. So let's declare pin mode. So I'm connecting the LED to pin number 8 comma output. Yeah, that's it. So next we are writing the loop section. In loop section, here we write the main function of the program. So for the output, or you can say for working on the output, we need a command that is digital write. So here we write digital because we are using the digital pins. Digital write comma 8 comma high. So here, so the pin number 8 becomes high. Then here we need a delay of suppose 1 second. So here I write 1000 microsecond, which is equivalent to 1 second. Then again digital write comma 8 comma low. So it becomes low after 1 second. And again delay. Suppose 1000. So sorry. So here is the final program. So it is ready. So now compile or verify the program. So it is compiling the sketch. Okay, compiling done. So there is no problem in our program which is done by us. So now we are going to test this program or test this project. So this is a project which is named as how to blink an LED using Arduino. So let's test it virtually. For this I am opening my Chrome browser. So I'm using Tinkercad. So Tinkercad. So I'm using Tinkercad. Okay, it takes so much time. Tinkercad. So I'm I'm showing you the process if you don't have any Arduino but you still want to learn Arduino. So you can also learn this Arduino by using your laptop. All you have to need a Chrome browser and search on Google that Tinkercad. I'll provide the link in the description below. So it's saying me for sign in. I'm using my email ID. Okay, next. I guess. Yeah. So we log into our account. So here you can see create a new design. First of all, you have to click the circuit, then create a new circuit. Just click on it. It takes so much time loading. Okay, so here I'm using Arduino Uno R3 and LED, one register. So according to our program, we have to see the connections. So this is the program which I write in front of you guys. So here, as you can see, I'm using pin number 8. Pin number 8 is the digital pin, not the analog pin. So make the connections. So this is the pin number 8, digital pin. So this is the positive terminal, and the second terminal will be connected to the ground. So this is the connection for and set the register in 330 ohm. Yes. And now, so this is the code. Select your block. The block you have to select text. Continue. So just delete it and copy the same. Control C, or you can copy here and paste and start simulation. As you can see, the LED is blinking. So this is the method or the way I show you. If you don't have any Arduino physically, I show you in the with the help of simulation. This is the name Tinkercad. I'll put the link in the description below. So if you have if you have some interest on Arduino, you can try at your home without any of the component. So now I'm going to show you how you can do the same with Arduino in reality. So here I'm using Arduino Nano. Just close. So here guys, now I'm making the circuit for. So here I am using Arduino Nano, which is so if you use Arduino Nano, we don't have to use any resistor for that, because Arduino Nano gives an output of 3.3 volt, so it does not need any of resistor for decreasing the voltage. So here I am using a green LED. So as per the program, we are using 8 digital 8. So here I am using digital 8 to this and ground GND at 1. So now I am uploading the program. So open your IDE, Arduino IDE, just click on that. So go upload. So as you can see, the LED blink and it gives a delay of 1 second. So that's it for today. So here today we learn how you can blink a LED with the help of Arduino. So as you can see, this is our final output. So thank you guys for watching our video.